I have a secret to tell you. Most men think that their erection is the problem. It's not. Your erection is a messenger. And what it's telling you, if you know how to listen, is that your blood flow needs attention. After my heart attacks, the doctors talked a lot about my heart, but nobody talked about what it meant for everything else. My energy, my legs, and my ability to perform. I had to figure that part out all by myself. But here's what I learned. There are things that you can do starting today that gets blood moving through your body the way it's supposed to. And most men, they're ignoring them. So today, I want to tell you about what they are. Now, let's start with the simplest one, and that's walking. After my second heart attack, that is what they had me doing first. Not going to the gym and not running, just walking. And here's why that matters. Every time your foot hits the ground, your calf muscle squeezes. And that squeeze pushes the blood back up toward your heart, towards everything. And that's not a metaphor. That's what's happening inside your body right now. So if you've been telling yourself that walking doesn't count, I need you to let that go. It counts more than anything else. Just 15 minutes. Just start there. Now, here's where it gets interesting. A rowing machine moves about 85% of your muscles at the same time. Just one motion. And that moves your arms, your back, your core, your legs. And think about what that means for your blood flow. Almost your entire body is pulling circulation through itself all at once. And you don't need an hour. No, 5 minutes on a rowing machine, that is worth more than you think. So if you have access to one, this belongs in your week. Now, I want you to hear this next one carefully, especially if your knees or hips have been keeping you from moving. Water takes the weight off of your joints completely. That means that your legs can move the way they're supposed to without the pain that usually stops you. And moving freely, that's what gets blood circulating. Now, I've talked to men who have avoided the pool for years because they thought that swimming wasn't a real exercise. Well, they were really wrong. Now, does that make any kind of sense to you? It's not about swimming laps. It's about moving without pain. So if that's been your barrier, this one just might be the one for you. Weather, bad sidewalks, balance problems, if any of those have ever stopped you, the stationary bike removes all three. See, your legs do the same pumping work that they do when you're walking, but you're sitting down. You're indoors. And here's the thing. Consistency matters more than intensity. You don't need a perfect workout. You need the one that you will actually do tomorrow and then the day after that. This is one of the easiest things to do to stay consistent with. Now, you've probably heard about pickup ball, but I want to tell you why it's not just a trend. Pickleball moves you from side to side, not just forward and backward like walking. That lateral movement reaches blood vessels that straight line walking that misses. And here's something that I really like about it. It doesn't feel like exercise. So if the treadmill has felt like a chore your whole life, this one just might surprise you. Now, if any of this is landing, I want you to know that there's more. See, blood flow, that's just one piece of the bigger picture. I built a program that walks you through all of it. And the link, it's in the description. So click on that whenever you get ready. Now, golf doesn't feel like exercise. And that's exactly why it belongs on this list. Every swing is a full rotation through your core. And then walking the course for a few hours, that really does add up. And here's what most men don't realize. It doesn't have to feel like a workout to work like one. Your blood doesn't care if you're having fun. It only cares if you're moving. Now, this one works a little differently. Stretching and holding positions opens up areas that get tight and restricted over the years. And restriction in your muscles, that means restriction in your blood flow. Now, it's quiet. You don't feel it happening, but it's there. And you don't need to be flexible, and you don't need to start taking a class. Just 10 minutes on a mat, and that's all. So start where you are. Now, this last one, I just keep coming back to it. The movements are slow, controlled, deliberate. And that's the point. As we get older, balance becomes everything. Tai Chi keeps you steady on your feet while it's circulating blood through your entire body, all at the same time. Better blood flow, better balance, fewer falls. And all you invested is maybe 5 minutes a day. These 8 things, all tied to the same simple idea. Blood has to move, and you don't need all 8. Just pick one of them that feels doable and start right there. If you want the full picture, the program I built for men who want to restore their health naturally, it's waiting for you. And the link, it's just below. So take care of yourself, and I'll see you soon.